Hey guys, Big John here. Yeah guys, it's Sunday. Oh, the date. I never get this right. I want to say somewhere around May the... Actually, I'll tell you exactly what it is. It's May 26th. I'm almost positive. Or May 27th. Or May 28th. No, I'm pretty sure it's May 26th. Anyways guys, it's a beautiful morning on the river. It's like 5:30 in the morning, 5:45, and yeah, we got a little bit of fog out here, but we're on the river. It's no big deal. We got GPSs and all that fun stuff, so we're good to go. It's last week, guys, before the Big M muskie opener. So yeah, I had a great walleye season. I plan on doing a few days of fishing this week before muskie. We'll see if we'll see how work goes and if I got time. So yeah guys, I'll give you the water temp today is 57.7. Oh, there's fish here, probably silver bass. Yeah, so it's starting to warm up a bit, but it's still in the 50s. Let's get out there and catch some fish, man. So yeah guys, I decided to drop the old GoPro down and get a little bit of underwater footage of the silver bass. This is about 15 to 20 feet of water. Yeah, a lot of silvers kicking around there. Hey guys, yeah, it's that time of the weekend. Got to put the boat away for the weekend, but yeah, guys, the fishing was still really good this morning. There were some shorts out there, but there were some good fish too. I found the good fish. I got a little bit shallower, 27 feet of water, and the bigger, or the shorts I was getting out deep, 37. But yeah, they're still there. With that being said, guys, there's a lot of silvers in the river now. So yeah, it's a mixed bag, but the walleye are still there. And you guys seen the water temp, so it's starting to get up there a bit. Guys, I got a week left of walleye fishing. It's been a great walleye season, and I'm still going to do it from time to time during muskie season, but the opener's next Saturday, so we're going to go from catching lots of fish on the river to a grind, because muskie fishing is a grind. There's a lot of times we'll go out and we don't even catch one, but when you do, It's very rewarding, and there's times when you go out and you'll get 2 or 3 in a day. So yeah, guys, cheers. Love yous all. Be positive. Big John's out.